Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video you are going to learn how to hack 1 million USDT into your Trust Wallet account. Yes, you will get it into your Trust Wallet account. Now let's go to this is my Trust Wallet. Alright, now this Trust Wallet was mainly created for this tutorial, so I'm going to teach you how you can get it. You understand me? So now, first of all, before we begin, you will be needing some apps for these procedures for you to be able to get it, the USDT. For you to be able to get it, you'll be needing some apps. Now, first of all, you will be needing a Trust Wallet app. A Trust Wallet app. Yes, this is the app that we will use. This is the first app that we use. The second app is we'll be needing a CoinMarketCap app, and then we'll be needing a CoinMarketCap app, and then we'll be needing Binance app. You understand? So you need to have an account with these three apps. You understand? So then we proceed. First of all, once you have gotten your Trust Wallet app and then you have set up an account with Trust Wallet, I'm sure you know how to do that. Then once you open your Trust Wallet like this, you click on Discover. You get me? You click on Discover. Once you click on Discover, you scroll down, you see the list of the apps, dApps. Yes, you see list of dApps. Now we'll be making use of Uniswap. So I'll click on it now. Let it load. Alright, this is Uniswap app. You get it on Trust Wallet. So you'll be needing to connect your wallet. You'll be needing to connect your wallet. Alright, it is connected. Now it is connected. So first, let's go and USDT. Yeah, I'm waiting for it to load. Network issue. Okay, this is it. USDT. Now USDT. Then there is a token that we need to exchange our USDT with. Now this is how this thing works. You go to select token. Once you open select token for white, okay, wait, this is wait, let me select some wrong. Now I'm going to look for CoinMarketCap app. This is why I say you'll be needing a CoinMarketCap app. Then you click on the search icon on the CoinMarketCap app. Then you search for white. Now this is white. This white. Yes. Scroll down a bit. You go to the about. Once you open the white app section, you go to the about. Once you go to the about, you will see some details about this token. You understand? You see details, you can read about it to know whatever you want to know. Then you come to this contract. There are Ethereum and there are Solana. You got it. So I'm gonna copy the Ethereum. Now this is what I'm going to do. Sorry about that network. So I was sorry, not like this. Wait. You will select your USDT here, USDT. Then here, that contact address that you copy, you paste it here. You see, you show this white rock. Now you click on the white rock that it shows. You click on continue. Now this is it. In this part, you'll be needing to have some amount of USDT in your Trust Wallet account. You get me? So once your Trust Wallet account is connected to Uniswap account, the amount of USDT that you have. Now let's talk about, let's say I have 1000 USDT. Let's say I have 1000 USDT. Now it's going to give me 43. You're gonna give me this amount of white rock. You got me. So now let's copy it. Once you copied it, you head over, and once you copy it, you click get started. Once you click get started, if you have those amount of USDT in your Trust Wallet account, you will purchase white rock. Once you purchase this white rock, you get it. Once you purchase this white rock, you head over to Binance. And then you look for white rock. Now what we are doing is, you buy from Uniswap, you buy the white rock with your USDT from Uniswap, then you head over to Binance and sell it there. You move the funds from Binance. I'm sorry, I'm having network issue. You move over from Trust Wallet. Once the coins has arrived in your Trust Wallet account, then you move it to your Binance account and you sell it with Binance Wallet. Or you can use this app known as the Gate.io app. You move your white rock coin to the Gate.io app and you swap it. You will see you will make a profit of about 30% from it. So you can repeat the process over time and you make a lot of money, a lot of profit from following these simple steps. This is a clear hack to make 1 million USDT. I hope my video makes sense. I hope you love my teaching. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.